What's up, what's up? This is another part to this Renault Kangoo. Little update on the door lock. So, well, first video of the door lock. Got the door card all off. It's got this nice sticky stuff here to stop all the water going down it and in and out and so on. Probably from leaking into the car or into the van even. Which is still in good condition actually after 20 years, being a 2002. I gave it a nice clean as well inside, so that looks a lot better now. With the old wheels in there. Put the hubcaps on as well, clean it and it'll tidy up inside. Should be all good. So, what we found is, with the door lock, that got a nice little simple 2-pin plug to that. I did take off the locker to test if it works, and it does work absolutely fine. And there's a 2-pin plug here. This pushes up, and I found a broken wire in there. So I was getting a 12-volt feed, but nothing else, and it was unlocking from there, but it wasn't locking at all. As in, when I pull the lock, it would unlock all the doors. So I'm getting a signal there, but that was it. So we need to get a nice piece of wire in there and solder that up into there, join it in, stretch it a little bit just to give it some space, and happy days, that should be fixed. So let's get some soldering going. I'll pause this here and show myself soldering. So to be honest, I'm not sure I'm gonna record this, but I've got my little snap-on soldering iron with a bit of solder there, wire strippers. We're going to repair this wire. I've got a nice piece of wire here as well, that'll do, nice and stretchy. I'm still not sure how I'm going to put this here to show myself recording. This is where I need a yes, a gimbal would be nice actually right now. And the thing is, I have got one and it's not with me. Lovely, lovely jubbly. I've also done the coolant change as well, so that's all nice and fresh. To top it up again. The bottle's a bit disgusting. I don't try and clean it out as much as I can, but there it is. So anyway, let's try and do this video. Maybe there, maybe that might work. Don't know how good that's going to look, but here we are. We've got a point of view, maybe tummy view. Anyhow, so let's get a nice bit here. I'll chop off this end. This is too long. I've got some insulation tape to do it that way rather than heat shrink and so on. You know, the tape's a bit more flexible. A bit noisy in the workshop as well, which is, as you know, standard. Hope no one walks in while I'm doing this video. That'll be annoying. Yeah, I think this repair will outlast the vehicle, to be honest. There we go. Strip that off there. I like. Whoops. There we go. See. This is the point of view that I've got. What I like to do normally is splice it like that. Don't know how well it's actually focusing. Splice it like that. Join this one to this one. Get a nice tight. Spin this one on this one, and then get both of them and wind them all together. To be honest with you, it doesn't even need a solder. Well, I spoke too soon. Hang on a minute. I'm gonna chop that again and start again. I spoke too soon there. It's always the case when you're doing a video and you know, trying to be all smart-arsey about it. Smart arse. Yeah, we're good there. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. So, split that. I hope no one comes in now while I'm doing this little repair and bothers me while I'm making a nice little video. Otherwise I'll have to just pause it. Tell them to bugger off, as you do. Spin it around there, spin it around there. I don't think I spun it around enough, that's why. And spin this one around there like this. So what I'll do now is let me solder that in first. There we go. And then let's change over the tip on that one. I don't know how good this is right now in how close it is with my trusty old broke down tip that I've been using for ages. Look at the state of that. That is burnt out. but it still works nice. So I like to use that one to burn it out even more. I've got a replacement somewhere, just don't know where it is right now. Enough gas in there? Yes, we've got enough gas. Let's fire in a hole. Ooh. Yes, that's lighting up like, wow, that smells. That's warming up alright. Just get a little close up of that, there you go. I don't know how focused that is. Yeah, let me let this warm up for a bit and then I'll just pour myself soldering it. So there's the second bit. I've managed to feed the wire through as well using that little thing there with the piece of tape, and here we are, we soldered that up as well, and that will be job done hopefully. Let's see if I can get the soldering going. I mean, it's not good without an extra hand, but try my best. Warm it up there a little bit, just some solder on there, tin it up a little bit. Don't know if you can see this very well or not, but I'm just doing what I can right now. And let's see if I can turn that down for a second. There you go, try that. Oh shoot, that's not good. Oh, that's going to be burning in a minute. Didn't let it heat up, did I? That was clever. I'm not sure how much you can see from there, but hopefully somewhere on the screen you see me doing a bit of soldering. I'm melting my hands. There we go. Come on, mate, warm up. There it goes. Oh, yes, it's getting warm now. Yes. Lovely jovely. Nice thick bit of solder on that one. That'll do. Sorted. And there it is. I'll take that up nicely, make sure it doesn't, you know, catch any weathering, and I'll stick that back on and it should work. Let's pause it and check it in a minute. I can't believe this is already 8 minutes long. So, moment of truth. I've latched the lock as if the door's closed. Let's see if it does this thing. Lock, unlock, mint. Working locks now. I should work on the central locking as well. Let's just give that a little test. I even fixed this key button in here as well, to be honest. Listen to the difference. Alright? Listen carefully. Yeah, and then the old one, as in the not so fixed one, you can't even hear it. See what I mean? But yeah, this one, nice click to it. Anyhow, we are done. So this concludes a little bit more to the van. What have I got to do next? Stick the wheel caps on. There was another thing that I wanted to do. We're putting new relays in there now as well, so that all works fine. I better unlock the van, eh? Because it looks like it's locked. There we go. Just nice. Yeah. The other thing is the intermittent in 3-second delay relay on the wiper stalk. So I need to change that relay over to get the wiper working in the slow mode, if you know what I mean, because right now it doesn't work whatsoever. But yeah, I think that should be it for this video, but don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like this video as well. Thank you for watching.